Alright, today I have got a template to make a bowl cozies. Okay, and I've got the 12-inch yard, 12-inch cotton material here, and batting, and I cut these out. I folded these in two, and then cut them out. So, okay, I'm gonna get these sewed together. So, here's the front, that's the middle, inside, and this is gonna be the outside of my bow cozies. All right, I am going to stitch these down on across this way. Okay, I'm already going. Okay, let me get my foot pedal over here. Just a minute. Alrighty. You can hear my air conditioner going on. Well, my sewing machine ain't working. There, I didn't have it plugged in all the way. Alright. I'm quilting this before I sew it together. Just a minute, I've got my thread. Alrighty. I hope everybody's doing alright this morning. Let me get my scissors. Get everything together. I've never made bowl cozies before, so I found them. I bought a pack of templates to make different sizes. This is a small one. Okay, now I'm gonna get the other one done this way. There's the inside and outside of this. Oh, it came on. Well, I get the needle up there where I can get it re-threaded. It's been a while since I quilted. I got off of it for a while and rested. But I slept just about all day yesterday. And I have slept some this morning. Alrighty. Well, I had got my thread. I didn't have my thread machine threaded right. Now maybe we're ready to go. Well, I had it threaded and it came loose. We're going to try this again. Well, still didn't. Well, it did, but it quit. I don't know what's wrong. My threads are breaking. Well, we're going to try this again. There you go. All right, let me take my pins out. I've got it stabilized now. All right, now we're gonna Then I've got it cut into on 4 sides, just to make the shape of it. I'm going to take a 1/4 inch seam here. There goes my needle again. Y'all have to I watched these make them on YouTube, so the small bow cozy takes a 12-inch square piece of material. Okay. Now get the other side. I have no idea what is wrong. Alright, I got that pressed down. I'm gonna kind of pin this together here to get it to close up this opening here. And I'm gonna 1/8 seam around here, around the top. I don't think I left a needle in there. Alrighty. This will hold a pretty good sized bowl. Let me get one over here. Not big enough. This takes a bigger bowl, but let me get out of this. All right. Get it. But that's a bowl cozy, and that's my first one. I've already got several more ready to stitch together. I've got to cut them out. But there's my bowl cozy. It's got apples on one side and lemons on the other. So if you like my videos, Just like, share, and subscribe. And hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. And thank y'all so much for watching. Let me get to... But like I said, it's got lemons on the inside and apples on the outside. And this was reversible. So y'all have a blessed weekend. And thank y'all so much for watching.